what if you contributed to the barbecue without having to light a barbecue? Today I'm gonna take you actually into my kitchen. We're gonna do something that's gonna taste like grilled asparagus in a Swiss white wine fondue sauce. It's 5 ingredients, campers. You're gonna love this. Lay them all out. And then I have some Finlandia salted butter that I've just melted down, salt and pepper. Then we just kind of roll it up into a bunch. That kind of gives everybody a quick coat. There's always these like half bottles of wine left over. Instead of letting these wines go to waste, use it on your veggies. Swiss white wine and asparagus are kind of like a match made in my oven. Get it? 400 degrees and you will be amazed. Grilled asparagus and an amazing Swiss cheese fondue-ness. I love all food, but finger food is my favorite.